Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Notion for course feedback and evaluation. Let's get started. First, create a new page in Notion. This will be your dedicated space for all feedback and assessment activities. The reason we do this is to maintain a clean, organized workspace where all relevant information is easily accessible. Next up, add a table to your page. Here you'll log all feedback and grades for each student. Each row will represent a student, and the columns will be for their name, their feedback, and their grade. This helps us because it centralizes all student information and makes it easier to track individual progress. Now that we've done that, it's time to populate the table with data. For each student, input their name and the feedback you've received. Don't forget to include their grade as well. This step is crucial because it allows you to keep a clear record of each student's performance and feedback. Let me explain why this matters. By logging all this information in Notion, we're creating a comprehensive record that can be easily updated and referred to. This is especially useful when it's time to evaluate your course, as you'll have all the necessary data at your fingertips. Next, add a summary section to your page. Here, you'll write down any trends or general observations from the feedback and grades. This is your space to reflect on what's working in your course and what needs improvement. The reason we do this is to transform raw data into actionable insights that can inform future course design. Now let's wrap this up. We've created a dedicated Notion page for course feedback and evaluation, added a table for student information, populated it with feedback and grades, and finally, summarized our findings. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. We're streamlining the feedback process and making course evaluation a breeze. And that's it. You now know how to use Notion for course feedback and evaluation. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and updated. Thanks for joining us today.